This is a workflow that exists in almost every business. You need information from multiple people, vendors, customers, partners, internal teams. So you build a spreadsheet, add your formulas and validation rules, and prepare to send it out as a template. One file, multiple recipients, everything looks organized at this point. A copy goes out to each vendor. The master stays with you. The moment those files leave your hands, they exist independently. Each vendor has their own copy. All vendors send their files back, and your stack starts growing. Now the real work begins. Opening each file, checking the data, verifying that formulas are intact, confirming that validation rules were respected. And this is where it usually falls apart. One vendor filled in the wrong column, another entered text in a numeric field, a third deleted a formula they did not realize was there. Most of them need to go back. Most files go back out with correction notes. And notice the stack is not shrinking. It keeps growing because you now have the original sends, the first round of returns, and your review notes all sitting in different folders, representing different states of the same data. The corrected files come back. Still not done. Some still need another pass. A new error was introduced while fixing the original one. At this point, you have spent more time managing files and emails than doing the actual analysis this workflow was supposed to produce. Some files go back out for a final pass. Everyone involved is frustrated. Vendors have responded to the same email thread multiple times, and the deadline is getting closer. This is not an edge case. This is the normal execution of a round-trip spreadsheet workflow. The final files come back. Round after round of sends and returns, just to collect structured data that was always going to end up in one place. And the business user still has to manually consolidate all those individual Excel files into a single master sheet before they can do anything useful with the data. This is the cost, and it scales with every person you add to the process. This is a sample Excel file at the center of this workflow, a security questionnaire. It is the kind of file businesses send to vendors when evaluating them for compliance, data security, or procurement purposes. And it is a serious piece of work. Many sheets covering everything from general vendor information and security policy to physical and environmental security, access controls, business continuity, and privacy compliance. Hundreds of questions organized across sections, with a summary sheet that calculates scores, completion percentages, and red flags per section automatically using Excel formulas. This is exactly the kind of file that gets attached to an email and sent out to multiple vendors with a note that says, please fill in the yellow cells and send it back. And then everything we just watched begins. This is the same questionnaire converted into a web application using SpreadsheetWeb. Instead of an Excel file, vendors receive a link. They land on a welcome page that explains the questionnaire, then click Start. The left navigation shows every section of the questionnaire. Each section is its own page. Questions are presented with the right input type for each one. Radio buttons for yes or no questions, searchable dropdowns for predefined options, free text fields for descriptions, and file upload areas for attachments. Vendors can only enter valid data. They cannot type free text into a dropdown. They cannot skip a required field. They cannot break a formula because there are no formulas exposed to them. The same calculation logic that existed in the Excel file runs in the background on the server, completely protected. On the admin side, the business user manages everything from SpreadsheetWeb Hub. There are two ways to give vendors access to their records. The first approach is to invite them to register for a user account on SpreadsheetWeb. Once they register, they log in, access the application, fill in their data, and submit. The second approach requires no registration at all. The admin uses the data share feature to generate a unique link for each vendor record. For each record, they set the access type to edit and an expiration date. In this case, 1 month from today. That link is tied specifically to that vendor's record. When vendor 1 clicks their link, they can only see and edit their own record. They cannot access any other vendor's data. They cannot see the other vendors exist at all. The admin sends each vendor their unique link. No Excel file, no email attachment, no account setup required, just a link. This is what the vendor sees when they click their link. The same security questionnaire application opens in their browser. Notice the URL. It is a long, unique share token, not a login, not a password, just a secure link tied to their specific record. The vendor fills in their answers section by section, and when they are done, they simply close the browser. Their data is already saved in real time as they go. There is no file to send back. Back in the hub, the admin can see submissions coming in as they happen. The admin can open any vendor's record directly from the hub to review their answers in full. The questionnaire opens in edit mode, showing exactly what the vendor entered, section by section. And the summary page at the end shows the scoring breakdown across all 11 sections, which are complete, what the scores are, and where the red flags are. All calculated automatically. No file consolidation, no copy pasting from multiple spreadsheets. Every vendor's submission is in one place, scored consistently and accessible instantly. The back and forth is gone. What you just saw is the same workflow, same questionnaire, same data, same scoring logic, but without a single Excel file changing hands. Vendors get a link instead of an attachment. Data is validated at the point of entry. Submissions go directly into a central database. And scores calculate automatically in the background using the same Excel formulas that were always there. No back and forth, no file management, no manual consolidation. If you have a spreadsheet-based workflow like this one in your business, SpreadsheetWeb can convert it into a web application without rebuilding any of your existing logic. The link to get started is in the description. SpreadsheetWeb, where Excel meets web apps.